friends who'd like to find a better way, I would like to take a minute and introduce you to my new e-learning platform. Now, the e-learning site that I've been talking about for years is still there. It hasn't gone anywhere. It'll, in fact, when you go to purchase something, it'll point you to this site, or you can come to this site directly. The location of this site is abetterway2.teachable.com. Now, what's interesting is if you put a www. In front of that URL, it won't go anywhere. It'll tell you the page isn't found. I don't get it, but I know how to get there. So don't use www. Do just type in abetterway2.teachable.com. And once you're there, you're going to be here at this welcome screen. And if you already have been to this site before and already have a login, you can just come right up here and click on login. But I imagine for most of you watching this video, this will be your first time here. So you can scroll down and you'll see that I've got some featured courses. So these are my bundles, a couple of the 3 of the 5 bundles that I have available on the site. So what that means is you're getting 5 courses for the price of 4. So you could watch A Better Way to Organize Your Workspace, or A Better Way to Manage Your Workday, or of course Microsoft Excel Fundamentals. Or you can purchase any of those sessions, any of those 5 courses that make up these bundles. You can purchase those individually. And those are each priced at $29. So for example, here is a course, not necessarily part of one of these bundles, but this is just an individual course, 1 hour, 1 topic. And this one we dive in on Better Focus, that you could purchase for $29. Now, if you want unlimited access to the site, an annual subscription to all of the e-learning sessions, as well as my monthly express trainings that you can attend online or in person, well, then this is going to be your best bet, is joining the Let's Grow Together program. Now, if you really want to go in depth, you can be part of my organization and productivity boot camp, where we spend 10 weeks. It's really as long as you need it to take, but we'll spend 10 weeks diving into 10 sessions that help you get as organized and productive as you want to be, along with monthly phone calls for a year, monthly group calls for a year. So those are some things that are available. Typically, you're probably going to be interested in, okay, what are the e-learning courses that you have available? So if you don't see what you're interested here in my featured section, you can click on View All Courses. And when you click on View All Courses, you're going to be taken to the catalog of my over 40 individual sessions available. So even for me, I feel like just looking at them this way is a little bit overwhelming. So you might want to just scroll up and take advantage of some of these search tools available. Here in the category, if you know you're looking for some Excel training, we'll just come down here and choose Microsoft Excel, and it will take you to my collection of Excel training. We've got the bundle, and then the bundle as it's broken out here in Excel Elements, creating a spreadsheet, formatting a spreadsheet, setting page layout, formulas, and then we go into creating an effective spreadsheet, page setup tools, and so on. And we have advanced formulas, so you can see I've got quite a bit on Excel. Now, if you're looking for something really specific, well, let me point this out. Author, it's all me. I don't have any other authors contributing to my Teachable site. So if you're looking for something really specific, I'm going to click on Find a Course and say, no, I really am just looking for formulas. You could search by a keyword. I would encourage you only putting in one word there. And that's going to limit the list here of what's available, so that you can look at just formulas or advanced formulas. So I'm going to go ahead and click on formulas. It is going to take me to some more information about this particular session. I'll see the description. I'll see what's contained in this particular e-learning session. You get to see my bio. And if that's indeed what you want, you can click Enroll in the course for $29. It's going to take you to a shopping cart. If you happen to have a coupon code, if you have been given one by a partner organization that I may be working with, you can click on Add Coupon, and this is just a demonstration coupon. If you try it, it will not work. I'm going to click Apply. And it will, for me, it's making my course free because I want to be able to show you the next steps. For you, it'll take off the discount that you have been given with that coupon code. Here's where you will create an account with my school and be able to log in and access this course that you just purchased anytime. Once you've purchased this particular course, as long as you don't use your login credentials, you're going to be good. You'll put in your email address. And your name if you don't already have an account. I do indeed have an account already, so I'm going to go ahead and put in my password. You, of course, if you are purchasing it, you're going to be putting in your email address, your name, as well as your credit card information. Because I didn't necessarily want to buy a course for myself, nor did I want to display my credit card information in this tutorial. I'm going to check Agree to Teachable's Terms and Use and Privacy Policy, and I'm going to click Enroll in Course. So once you've purchased the course and completed this shopping cart side of things, it's going to give you a thank you. It will give you the opportunity, if it's part of a bundle, to consider getting 4 sessions for the price of 5, but you don't have to. I'm going to click No Thanks. And you won't always get that, only if the course is part of a bundle. And now here we are at the course curriculum. So first off, you're probably going to want to start with handouts. So I'm going to click Start. And from my handouts panel, I am able to download these handouts so that I could print them and have them available to me. Sometimes, I'm going to be honest, sometimes I see the ability to download right up here. Other times I find that you have to scroll down here to download those handouts. But you can download those so that you can print them off and have them available. Then once you are done getting your handouts, you could either hit Complete and Continue to get to the video that way, or you could come over here. Either way, I'm going to go ahead and click Complete and Continue. And so here we go. It takes us to the video. It's playing. It will get started for you, and you can control it, of course, down here however you need to. You can stop it, you can come back to it, and like I said, if you keep your login, you are going to stay enrolled in this course. And there are some sample exercises in this particular course. Not every course has them, but to access those, you can hit Complete and Continue, or you can click on it here. And when you're done, you can just close out and walk away. So I do want to take just a second and show you that, as I said, my old abetterway2.co still exists. The one that's in all my brochures and all of my literature, this site still exists, and you can still use the same navigation if you're familiar with it at all to access that. I know the Excel Fundamentals is currently located inside of Efficiency Tools underneath Excel Fundamentals. And so now that I'm on the Excel Fundamentals page, I can scroll down, and here are those courses. You can see Excel formulas, etc. I'm going to pick a different one just for fun here and show you that if I wanted to go to this particular session, I can click on Go to Course. And it's going to take me to that same sales page that's got the description, what's contained, who the instructor is, and you can click Enroll in Course. So you can get to this content 2 different ways, but they take you to the same place. So I hope this helps, and I hope you're able to take advantage of some of the training that I have available to you out there. And if I can help in any way, by all means, please reach out and let me know.